Welcome to Introduction to Geographic Information Systems. This, and the other learning resources in this course have been made possible by funding from the European Commission's Erasmus Plus program. Welcome to this tutorial on importing data into QGIS. First, create a project folder to store all your files. Good file management will save you time in the long run. You can name the folder whatever you want. I have called mine GIS Project, and I have created it on my desktop, but you can put it wherever is convenient for you. Inside you need to create two more folders. One for raw data and one for modified data. You want to do this to avoid accidentally overriding your original data with any of the new datasets you create. In the raw data folder, I have already put the files you will need to download from Moodle. One is a DEM that I have already cropped for you, though we will see where I got that data from. Also, an old map. Download these resources from Moodle and let's go get the rest of the data. First, let me show you where I got the elevation data. It is from the Copernicus website. You can use the map to find digital elevation model data, which are rasters. Click on an area and it will bring up a download link. I am already logged in, but if you don't have an account you will need to log in to download the data. The accounts are free. You can see the file to download and it is quite large. This is why I have cropped it already so you can download a smaller version. Next, we will get some vector data from OpenStreetMap. With this data you will need to download it from the website. Go to the export page. Zoom in until you get to Greece. We are getting data from around Nafplio, southwest of Athens and Corinth. Once you are zoomed in enough, a download button will appear. However, you might need to zoom in more as there is a limit on how much data you can download. For example, let's try now. Nope, too much data. Zoom in a little closer. Now try. Success. Make sure you save it to your raw data folder. You should now have this data and the resources you downloaded from Moodle in that folder. If not, add those resources now. Okay, let's open QGIS. Before we begin, let's have a look around. Click the default template. It sets the projections for the project. On the left you can see a sidebar which has an area to manage your data as layers. There is also a browser to find the data to import. On top is your menu and toolbar. You can adjust what tools appear there. Let's do that now. Right-click on the toolbar and a menu will appear. Click the menu option, Shape Digitizing Toolbar, and see it appear in the lower left of the toolbar. It is grayed out, but we will use it later. Finally, there is your map screen where you can visualize your data. There are a lot of buttons and functionality, but we will get to that. First, let's add some data. Use the browser to navigate to your project folder. Your folder structure will likely look different than mine. Right-click on the DEM data and then select Add Layer to project. You should see it appear in the Layers panel. It may take a little while for them to appear. Be patient. Click on the map database you downloaded from OpenStreetMap. Do the same for each dataset and add them to the project. You can turn on and off the layers in the viewer by checking and unchecking the box next to them in the Layers panel. You can also click and drag them up and down. This changes their order of appearance in the map viewer. So you can set some layers to appear higher or lower than others. Congratulations, you have started your first project and imported your first batch of data.